Yeah, yes, I will, and I think it is important to bring all the departments together. When we talk about transportation, well, I think many of us can agree on where mass transit should go. I do think we should have intra-municipal trolley systems. I mean, I think it should be very easy for someone to jump on a trolley and get one from one side of town to the other. I think we should use that as a model and expand. Accessibility is everything. You can lay out all of the resources, but for many people, it's not a walking distance. If they don't have a car, then they're not going to go there. We have, we're facing this pandemic, right? That you can call an endemic, but monkeypox around the corner. People that have chronic diseases should not be solely reliant on being pushed into crowded buses to go from one location to the other. So we need to, again, really rethink our transportation system and ensure that accessibility is accounted for and public health. We should certainly talk about housing, right? And we should be working with Health and Human Services to consider, some of the implications around not just whether people have a roof over their head, but where they have a roof over their head and their proximity to nutritional resources. Because we may not have the food deserts and relative to Bronx, New York, in terms of New York City, but we certainly have areas, especially in South Providence, where a 71-year-old person, is probably going to walk to a grocery store that has limited options. And I'm bringing up all these points to say it needs to be a comprehensive approach. We need to use our Department of Education for literacy materials to account for the language needs and to ensure that we're not just restricting the work being done to a couple of languages because it's politically correct. And we need to also work with our Department of Health, our Department of Health and Human Services, and even our Department of Commerce, and thinking about what types of businesses we're bringing here and what resources are they going to provide our local economies and the people that they're serving, which is all of us. So, thank you.